Sentiment sours, price action stalls, and the bears grab the mic, musing of lower lows. This is when you should be bullish. Bitcoin, crypto, morning tea. Hey. Good morning, everybody. My name's Piano Matty B. That is Scaramouches. This is your morning TA. A brief glimpse into the crypto market, where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. Oh, the humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni bringing the data. The FOMO index has continued down to 28 from yesterday's 31. Bitcoin dominance is 55.8%. 24-hour volume is 50 billion. The overall market cap, 2.08 trillion. Give or take 100 million. Well, another weekend of mild bullish fervor, followed by a Sunday dump after wicking down to 56.1. Late Thursday night, we spent Friday in a moderate rally, crushing up and over our channel of dissension's resistance, only to bump our heads on the 50 moving average, bringing us back to reality and consolidating the rest of the weekend ever so slightly. Moving on, picking out at 60.2, only to get bear-tastically batted down to a time of production, 58.5, putting us slightly above our channel of dissension's resistance, now acting as support and floating around the lower area of our channel of eternal monotony. It's the humble opinion of this piano that unless we gigapump up and over this channel's resistance at 61.6, then continue up to regain the 200 moving average at 62.5, we'll be at the mercy of the bears. And where do the bears want to go? Well, over on the ding-dong, you can see we are still building out the right shoulder of old Mr. Clean's head and shoulders pattern, whose price probability does play out to the wild and baronotic level of 43K-ish. Now the level to keep your papers on is this 78.6% fib down at 56.6. This is the neck and break line, and failing a last Hail Mary bounce from here will likely fulfill this pattern's bearish destiny. On the other bullish hand, the level that I would invalidate this pattern at is if, and I say if, we can gigapump up and start closing candles at and above the 200 moving average around this 64, 65K-ish area. Quick look at the Wookiee sees we did close the candle red. Barely, but she's red in a spinning top candle of sorts, which in an upward trend would tell us the run may be over, but seeing as though this is the second week in a row of this type of formation. A formation with a lot of wick to the high and low, but very little candle body. It's more indicative of continued consolidation at this price level, despite the volatile swings. Is that a data alert? Yes, it is. Just a reminder, the 20 moving average has curled bearish. Well, Piano Matty B, the 20 moving average always turns bearish. It's a noisy little so-and-so, isn't it? Well, yes, on the lower time frames, like the 4-hour and the daily chart, it is quite normal for the 20 moving average to go bearish from time to time. But this is the first time since we started trending up back in January 2023, save for the slight downward action in August 2023, basically a year ago. But that's barely noticeable, really. And the last time we saw the 20 moving average peak and curl down this much was way back in December 2021, which was the beginning of the bear market. Now, I'm not saying that this is a signal the bull market is over per se. I'm just comparing apples to apples because, well, that's what we do here. Now some explosive moves to the upside for a solid month. We'll curl this bad girl up again, and luckily for us, we have September rolling in, which is, oh snap, the worst month historically speaking for Bitcoin. Well, I suppose we may have to wait for October until we see this bad little bearish so-and-so curl back up. Until then, buckle up. Would you look at that, my friends? It's another beautiful day here on planet Earth, a day none of us are guaranteed. We're not guaranteed these days, yet we're lucky enough to have them anyway. So get out there, knock them dead, and remember, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected leads. That's right, it's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. And we'll be going live right away, so grab yourself a coffee, join me for a quick one, and by all means, sing it with me now. On the banks of boom to spank, Bitcoin, crypto, morning tea. Hey, roar. Cha-cha-cha-ching.
Make sure you like and subscribe.